So when you're looking to free off your hamstring, what you need to do is almost divide your hamstring into area here and area here. So this part here, away from the back of the knee, just above, and to halfway down the hamstring, you're going to roll 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to rotate the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice my weight's placed on my leg and my hands. Okay? So let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotate again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go up to the second part, right to this half here. I'm going to push up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over to that part, and then we're going to rotate the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do another one. 1. Now, if you find a spot that's very sore, as long as it's not an injury and you know it's not an injury, you just know it's tension, then feel free to stay on that bit and basically rotate around the area, start to free it off, but only if that's not an injury. So. Okay, now let's go up to the glute. So you're going to imagine that the glute is divided into 2. So you've got one area here and one area here, the lower part. So we're going to start on the lower part first. We're going to place the roller underneath the bottom half of our glute. We're going to place the weight right onto this leg in here, and we're going to go back and forward. Now you can rotate, and you're going to rotate around. It's a much smaller area than obviously your hamstring is, so you won't get the same range of roll that you do on your hamstring, and that's absolutely fine. Okay, round. Good. Excellent. Now we're going to go up to the upper part of your glute. So you're going to press over a little bit greater motion, a little bit higher up to the glute. You've got to find the spot. Okay? Then we're going to rotate back and forward. Now you can get a little bit deeper up to the lower back and then through. Excellent. And then when you find that, just that part just below the bone, just at the top of the glute there, we're going to rotate around. And I tend to use my hips a little bit here too, get the nice rotation. Excellent. Okay, so we're going to do the other leg. So we're going to go through to here. We're going to push right up to the first half, not past the back of the knee, just before you get to the back of the knee. Then you're going to rotate round. 3, 4. Excellent. I might just turn around this way so you can see me. Okay, and through. rotate. Okay, and then here, up to the second part of that hamstring, the top part, other area. Okay, I'm going to rotate with our foot. Might rotate a little bit with your hip if you want to. And then any sore spots, stay over and just rotate a little bit longer. Okay, so we've got another 4 rolls on this one. Okay, and then rotate. Excellent. Okay, so same part. I'm going to work on the lower part of the glute first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to rotate our hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up to the upper part of your glute. That's good. 1. This is usually when those people are quite sore. Good. Then rotate. Good. Feel free to pop your foot down if you need to as well, because sometimes that's a workout in itself. Okay. 2, 3, 4, and then rotate. Good. 3, 4. Excellent. And there you go.